Hello. Hello guys, my name is Sanaya. And I'm enjoying the watch video from myself. To make it a little bit fun. So now I got everybody out in this game. So it's the last night, doing hockey, and it's a little crazy, a little weird, flying, and like this. Seven and classic and so good. Now let's continue. So I'm gonna grab this one and this is the this okay, so good. Chop okay. Okay, shake that, go that. But because how to find out with magic trick. Like that, what I got him? You stop. But this one got this. Okay. It's nothing. This way. Okay, because we can cover that. This way. That's good. Yeah, I'm not even touching it. Look. Look, no, guys, I'm not touching it. I'm not even touching it. Look, I'm not even touching it. I'm not touching it. Look, I'm not touching it. My hand's right here. Look right here. Look, guys, my hand's right here. I'm not even touching it. Look, I don't even touch it. Just touch it and touch it. Look, it's moving itself. I can't control it. Look. Look like I was shooting. Look, it's not touching it. Look, it's not touching it. It's not touching it. Look, it's not touching it. See that? I didn't even touch it. Look, it's good. Look. Look, I'm not touching it. Look. Look, I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. My hand's right here. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. Look, I didn't touch it. Thank you for watching and hope you